Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Facebook Messenger. So if you see the not everyone can message this account error on your Facebook Messenger, it means that the account has messaging restrictions enabled. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it and start messaging again. The first method, you can check if the account has messaging restrictions because some Facebook accounts, especially celebrities, brand, and business pages, limit who can message them. So you can try following the account first and then comment on their post and see if they reply. If it's a business page, then you can check if they have a contact email or website. And the second one, you need to ensure that you are not blocked. So if you cannot send messages, the user may have blocked you on Messenger or restricted message to certain people. And to check it, you need to open the Facebook app. And then you can just click on a search at the top and search for their name in the Facebook search. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. And you can try sending a friend request and check if their profile is public or private. So if you are blocked, you won't be able to message them at all. And next method, you can change your privacy settings. So if others cannot message you, you may have message requests disabled. So to allow messages from everyone, you can open the Facebook Messenger app and then tap on your profile picture. You can just tap on menu in here and go to the privacy and safety, or just go to the settings, find the privacy and safety, and in here you can tap on the message delivery, and in here you can change the settings for people with your phone number, this one, and others on Facebook, this one. You can set it into message requests or chats. So I've already done it. And the next one, you can switch to a personal or business profile. So if you're using a business page, you can switch to a personal profile to message users. So what you need to do is just go to your Facebook app and tap on your profile. Go to personal profile and try messaging the person again. You can also try to update the Facebook and Messenger because an outdated app can cause errors. So you can check in your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook and Messenger. And if you see any update available, then tap on update. After that, you can just restart your phone after updating. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.